The highly pigmented liquid formula glides on effortless. Why can't I say that word?
Hey, welcome to today's video. This is Chaos Break. I'm Amy. Today, we are doing BOXYLUXE. For March, it just came in the mail today and I'm so excited. Want to see what I got in here this month? Sit back, take a break with me.
Oh, Sunday. Oh, Monday. Oh, Tuesday.
Alright, so we are going to not waste any more time, really. Maybe a little. Get that out of there. So this is the size of a normal BOXYCHARM box. And this is the size of BOXYLUXE. Holy moly! I am so excited. This is my first time getting BOXYLUXE. I'm trying to see if there was a weight on here. I don't see it, if there is. But I'm really excited, and other than a couple little thumbnails on YouTube, I don't have a clue what's in here. I would see them and I'd be like, no! So I actually made it without watching anyone's video, and I'm super excited. So BOXYCHARM is normally $21 a month. You get like 4 or 5 full-size items, and then BOXYLUXE is seasonal. So if you add it to your current subscription, every 3 months, yes, 3 months, you would get BOXYLUXE, and then there's an upcharge for that month of like $29, I do believe it is. So, let's open her up. Alright, so I'm seeing La Vie en Rose, is that what that says? This is really pretty. That's what the card looks like. Alright, and right on top I'm seeing some sort of bag. So this looks like it is the BOXYCHARM train case, and this has a retail value of $20. Okay. All this paper off of this. I like the way it feels. It would open up here. It's really pretty, actually. And it feels pretty nice. On the inside, there's no pockets or anything. It just says BOXYCHARM up there, and it's kind of this rosy pink. It does have kind of a funny smell. Huh. I have so many makeup bags at this point, but that's cool. Alright, next up in here, this is from Iconic London. And this says it is an eyebrow cushion. So, holy moly, this has a retail value of $40. Let's see what it looks like. Give your brows the wow they deserve with Iconic Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion. The innovative 2-shade liquid brow compact allows for fuller looking brows with half of the effort. The highly pigmented liquid formula glides on effortlessly, while the angled brush makes for precise application each time. Okay, so there's a little mirror in there, and then I don't want to peel it off, but it looks like there's, well, let's just do it. Can I? Ah! Okay. Well, it's all over my hand now. Oh, how are you supposed to get that out of there? Okay. So it looks like it has 2 different shades in there. That's kind of cool. I've never used something like that for my brows. Now I have it all over me. Not like super excited about that. Brows are not like my favorite thing to do, but that'll be fun to try. Kind of messy. Oh, this brush is interesting. like folds up. Alright, the next thing I see is from Wander Beauty. This says Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. So that's kind of cool. This has a retail value of $34. Oh, it's kind of like pearly looking. It's got kind of an illuminated kind of look to it. Well, that's cool. That is supposed to... Ooh, it has Skin Loving Acai, goji berry, blueberry, is it lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extracts. Supposed to help purify and replenish dull skin. Excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by the kaolin clay, minimizing the appearance of pores. So that's kind of cool. Oh, let's see. I don't really wear lashes. So these are from Lily Lashes, and these have a value of $24.99. And they are the exclusive Fox Mink Gala lashes. So that's what those look like. That's fun to play with. It's just not practical for me. Alright, next up is from Deborah Lipman. Looks like this is nail polish. Odana and Modern Love. Oh, that's kind of cool. So it says the dual patented formula in your new Deborah Lipman two-piece set lets you bring the nail salon home. Oh, where was that? The 10 active ingredients help deliver health, shine, and long wear to your nails, giving you the effects of gel polish without the damage. And these has a retail value of $20. And they are kind of my favorite color. A little bit purpley. So that is cool. Smells like nail polish. Alright, what is this? Ooh, we have some brushes from Moda. This is Power and Soft Glow. Excellent for wet and dry product. Waterproof, metallic handle, sturdy aluminum, ferrule, secure bristles, professional quality fibers. So there's a powder and it looks like a highlighting brush. And these retail for $29.99. Oh, they're pretty. So here's the highlight one. Feels nice. I like the color of them. And then this is the powder one. Excuse my hands and nails. I worked today and it's always rough. Those are really pretty. And they feel really soft. I don't think I've ever tried brushes from Moda before. I cannot believe how much stuff is in here. We're already like 5 products in. Alright, next up from Becca. We have an Ultimate Lipstick Love in the shade Mocha. So this is a moisturizing 8-hour long wear silky satin lip color infused with the next generation of hyaluronic acid. And this retails for $24. I feel like there's kind of everything's kind of like a rosy pink color in here. Oh, the packaging's pretty. It's magnetic. I love it. I haven't even seen the color and I just love that it's magnetic. Actually, I don't have much on my lips right now. I like the color. I feel like it's been a while since I've really liked the color from BOXYCHARM. actually really like the color of this. So that is a plus. Like my headband is way back there. Okay. Next up from IT Cosmetics, we have Confidence in a Cream. So this is Transforming Moisturizer Super Cream. This retails for $48. As soon as I figure out how to open it. There we go. So this says, developed with plastic surgeons, Confidence in a Cream is your #1 anti-aging moisturizer, perfect for all skin types, even the most sensitive. This quick absorbing super cream immerses your skin in moisture, restores visible radiance, reduces the look of pores, discoloration, lines, and wrinkles, and improves the look of firmness. You'll see powerful results instantly and more dramatic results over time. That is really cool, and I am in need of a new moisturizer, so I am pretty excited about that. Kind of has like a, almost like slightly citrusy scent. We'll put some in my hand because those are super dry. Yeah, it feels super moisturizing. And it's not too heavy from what I can tell just putting it on the back of my hand. That is cool. And the scent, not too strong. It does have, like I said, a little bit of, I think, like citrusy kind of scent. Look how red my arms look. Alright, wrapped up in this little thing we have Cover FX. Okay, what is it? Perfect Face Palette. This retails for $45. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So this looks like it has blush, contour, finishing powder, highlighter. That is really pretty. So it's got like all of your face stuff. Let's swatch them. This is really pretty. Okay, so we've got our two highlights and what they're calling is a brightener. I don't know if you'd use that like under your eyes, or I'd use that for a highlight too. It's a little icy though. And then our contour, you won't be able to see it much, but our finishing powder is there. And then the blush. Those are really pretty. I'm excited about that. Alright, the last thing in my box is from Morphe. And this is the 15N Night Master Eyeshadow Palette. And this retails for $16. I wonder if there's variations because it just says 15 Shade Artistry Palette. It doesn't say that it's the 15N Night Master. I actually have never tried Morphe's eyeshadows, so this is kind of cool. This has a $16 value. Oh, this is pretty. These are colors I would use too. I am very excited. Let's swatch some. Seem like they're going on really nice. So there's a few shimmers and a few of the mattes. Those are really pretty. I'm really excited. I don't need another eyeshadow palette, but eyeshadow palettes are like my favorite thing. Alright, I'm going to quick total this up and see what the total value is. And we'll see. So the total value of my box for March was $301.98, which I think is crazy. You pay about $50 for the BOXYLUXE. And that's over $250 more than what you paid for it in value. So I mean, and it has to be worth it to you, like things that you personally will use. But I mean, I can always use another makeup bag. I don't really need another makeup bag, so that's not the most exciting thing for me, but I like it. It's cute. It feels decent. It's kind of a funky smell, but maybe that'll air out. The Wander Beauty face mask. I feel like my pores have been kind of bad lately, so I would love to try this. Maybe it'll help some of that. I'm really excited to try the eyeshadow palette from Morphe. Only thing I'm kind of is these lashes. Not super into that. I think this brow stuff might be a disaster for me. It seems a little messy, and I tend to make messes. I don't use nail polish a ton, but I do like the colors, and I do wear it occasionally. I'm excited to try this moisturizer. This face palette is beautiful, and I'm really excited to try that. I am loving this lipstick so far. It's super comfortable, and I actually really like the color, so yay! And I can always use more brushes, so, well, I don't need more brushes, but I love brushes, so I can always use more brushes. So that was my BOXYCHARM BOXYLUXE, and I am pretty excited about all this stuff. So, did you get BOXYLUXE? Did you like the box this month? Do you get regular BOXYCHARM? What did you get in there this month? I would love to hear all of that down below. I love interacting with you guys, and if you like videos like this, subscription boxes, hauls, makeup related stuff, we would love to have you join us, and I hope you have a really, really great day. I'll see you next time. Bye!
Oh my gosh. It glides on effortlessly. Effortless. I swear I can read. Effortlessly. Effortless.